Hi students, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to explain about historical facts about C. So in this video, we'll cover what is the overview of C and historical development and background of C. First, C is a C language is a mother of all programming languages because all the data types, condition statements, control statements, arrays, structures, unions, strings. So all these are derived from the C language. That's why C is called mother of all the programming languages. The C language was developed by Dennis Ritchie in 1972 at AT&T Bell Laboratories. So before the development of C, several programming languages were existed. So initially, ALGOL language were existed. That is nothing but which is created it in 1960 by an international group of 6 members. Okay, now ALGOL means algorithmic language. However, algorithmic language had some disadvantages. So ALGOL disadvantage has been overcome by CPL language. CPL means combined programming language, which was developed. After that, CPL advanced version of CPL is a BCPL, basic combined programming language, was introduced as simplified version of CPL. After that, B language were introduced. That is nothing but B. So complete Unix operating system was written in B language only. Okay. However, B has some disadvantages. B language doesn't support data types and structures of structures. So that B language has some disadvantages, no? So it doesn't support data types and structures. So after that, data types and structures were added to the B language. After that, it became a new language called C language. Okay, na? So C name has given because after the B language, B alphabet, there is a C alphabet. No, that's the so the little advanced version to the B. Then so they gave name as a C language. So in fact, name C was chosen as the next letter in the alphabetic order of after B. The C language supports all the features of B with additional enhancements like it supports data types and structures which was not supported in the B language. Especially data types and structures were added to the B, which resulted in the creation of new language called C language. Finally, in 1989, the American National Standards Institute (ANSI) standardized the C language, and this version became known as a ANSI C, American National Standards Institute. So ANSI C. Summary: First, so ALGOL language was introduced in 1960 by international group of 6 members, and so basic combined programming language, which was introduced in 1961 by Martin Richard. After that, B language was introduced in 1970 by Ken Thompson. After that, traditional C language was introduced in 1972 by Dennis Ritchie. After that, that was standardized by ANSI C in 1989. So ANSI C committee, American National Standard Institute. So after that, so ANSI C and International Standard Organization C. So 1990. So it was finally formed as a standard C language. So this is a whole story of C language. So thanks very much. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and share this, share a comment. Thank you very much for watching.